Virtual reality is here, and the demand for PC-based virtual reality says it's time to get into the game. On the coolness scale, the VFX-1 hits a perfect 10 out of 10. Computer Game Review. The VFX-1, an essential piece of gamer's gear, computer life. The coolest peripheral you can buy for your PC. PC Magazine. The newest frontier is on the horizon line. The much-anticipated arrival of VR creates a whole new dramatic category. PC-based, software-generated, and completely interactive. It's no wonder Forte Technologies and the VFX-1 are emerging as the leader. The reasons are simple. Our total focus is the PC environment. As a result, we're fully supported by the industry, past, present, and future. The problems you face on a daily basis, we understand. We design and manufacture knowing and respecting your world and the expectations of your customers. While other manufacturers are walking you headlong into software and support minefields, only the VFX-1, supported throughout the industry, can deliver what virtual reality is truly capable of. In our nearly 8 years in PC technology and over 3 years in VR development, the VFX-1 marries the 3 most important features in peripheral headgear: high-quality optics, the highest resolution LCDs in its class on the market today, high-fidelity audio. Our stereo headphones are designed by AKG, one of the world leaders in high-end audio, responsive head tracking, which moves with you, bringing you inside the game. Together, these features create an experience no one else is even approaching. With the VFX-1, you're immersed in the game, and there's more. Cyberpuck, a VR joystick, because while being immersed is good, total immersion is what you'll want, probably what you'll crave, and it's legal. You're not supposed to have this much fun, and you won't if you think all VR is created equal.
Let's see, install unit, connect to rear of processor. Let's see, monitor, keyboard, serial, fully the power on, sound, and yes, plug and play. Okay, audio, video, keyboard, power. Well, there's no room for the data glove. What? Okay, ow! Ooh! Ow! Guess that's on tight. Yeah, there's no tracking. You can see my hands. I'm really into this. Oh, that might be stereo, too. Nah. Mouse tied to the desktop. Oh, this baby's going back. Now I got the real thing. Looks cool. One plug. And a Cyberpuck. Wow. That is stereo. Awesome 3D. Get back. Now I'm into this game.
To come back to reality, what a concept. You just flip up the Smart Visor. It's one complete system. Just plug and go. Our knowledge of the PC, our strict adherence to industry standards, and our business alliances take the VFX-1 into a class by itself. What's more, we back everything with a 1-year warranty. the best in the business. Even before its fully appreciated time, a built-in microphone will make immediate use of the voice recognition systems that are just around the corner. Soon games will be operated by more than one player simultaneously, as well as computer to computer. The add-ons will be essential. Data gloves, control vests, motion sensors, a myriad of feedback devices will flood the market. With only one port and no access bus, the rest of the pack will be out in the cold, cruel world of yesterday's technology. The VFX-1 is ready now. Our Access Bus host card installs easily and works with the PC's current VGA card. Single cable HMD supporting up to 125 peripherals. That's what the very near future will demand. And along with it, the sales of all kinds of feedback devices that get up and running for you as soon as they're in your store. For your customers, as soon as they're plugged in. VR should mean no limits. If you're not totally immersed, you're not into the game. Once you try the VFX-1, you'll understand why nothing else will do. We're moving toward full VGA color through a joint venture with Kopin Corporation, the makers of the finest liquid crystal displays in the world. Our sound capabilities will continue to use the high-end technology of AKG to provide state-of-the-art spatial resolution. Our superior head tracking system, coupled with vast expandability features, is the standard by which all others are judged. Until now, VR has not lived up to its promise. In this fastest of fast-changing environments, that regret belongs to yesterday. Just put on the VFX-1 and you will believe. For the thrill of total immersion, go with the one complete system, the VFX-1. And get ready for a wild and very profitable ride. It's time to get into the game.